Okay, 45, 45, 90 triangles. It's an isosceles triangle, which means two sides are the same. So this side and this side here. So let's just label it A, B, C. So AB is congruent to BC. So that means if X is 10, right, that these two sides, AB and BC, are the same. And Y is going to equal what? That's the question. So let's derive what Y would be. So let's use Pythagorean theorem because we know this. We know that A squared plus B squared equals C squared. So we're going to take 10 and square it. Add another 10 squared because these two sides are the same. Okay, your AB and BC. And we're going to then solve this formula. So 10 squared is going to give you 100 plus another 100 equals C squared. Okay. You then get 200 equals C squared. I'm going to take the square root of each side. So now C equals the square root of 200. So far, you should be okay. What we have to then do is simplify the square root of 200. Well, I know that the square root of 100 times the square root of 2 is the square root of 200. And I know the square root of 100 is 10. So that means that my Y is going to equal 10 square root of 2. Okay? So your pattern is going to be to take, if you're given numbers for each of the legs that make up the right angle, to find the third side, you would have to multiply that side by the square root of 2. Okay? Now, what if we were given Y and that equals 10? What would these two x's be equal to? So we know that they're both the same. So I'm going to say it's A squared plus A. So meaning that these were the same. And then I have 100 squared. Okay. If I combine these two terms together, you get 2A squared equals 100. I take half because I'm dividing by 2. So A squared equals 50. You then take the square root of 50 and simplify it. So now you're going to have, well, square root of 25 times square root of 2. And then you have 5 root 2. So each of those sides is going to be 5 root 2. Okay? So your pattern is n square roots of 2. The shortcut is, if you have a 10 for your hypotenuse, is to take half of it and then multiply it by the square root of 2. So that is 30, 60, 90 triangles. Or 45, 45, 90 triangles. Next you'll watch 30, 60, 90 triangles.